Hey guys, it's June Penny. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how to make this very easy DIY face shield, just keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back. First let me say I hope you guys are all doing good. This video tutorial is just to show you how to make a face shield. I saw this on Good Morning America, so I don't want to take the credit for making this because I am just copying what some woman did, and I know it gives people peace of mind to have a shield. This is not in any way meant to prevent COVID-19. So please, this is just for peace of mind for yourself. So I will show you the basics. Let's get started. Okay, so you need a 2-liter Pepsi bottle, Coke, whatever it is, box cutter, a knife, a hole puncher, and shoestring. So now you're going to cut on both sides where the curve starts. So you're going to take a knife or box cutter and very carefully, be very careful, this is very sharp, and make sure no kids are doing this. Just cut around, try to get the edges as smooth as possible. I should have marked it first, but I'm just doing it by eye. You're going to do the other side right there where the curve is starting and just cut around, just like that. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Then you're going to cut straight down. Good. So next thing you're going to do, you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're just going to round all 4 edges because they will be very sharp. So round them off, and then you're going to take your hole puncher and on both sides on top, you're going to make a hole, both sides just like that. To the other side, it should look like this. Now you're going to take your shoestring and you're going to feed it from the outside. So you're going to put each side into the holes, just like that. To the other side, just like that. So it should look like this, maybe a little bit neater, but this is what it should look like. Okay, and now for the moment of truth. Here it is, you guys. Just tie it in the back. And there you have your shield. I would not recommend this for little children, but if this makes you feel better, that your face is shielded, your eyes, everything, I hope this helped you.